Ever tried pushing a regular wheelchair uphill? Yeah, it feels like you accidentally signed up for a gym membership you never wanted. So if you're searching for an electric wheelchair that actually makes mobility easier instead of turning it into a workout, I went digging and today we're looking at the Coolhut Electric Wheelchair. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if this wheelchair is actually worth using or if it's just another product that looks good in pictures but disappoints in real life. First thing that stood out to me is the foldable and portable design. This wheelchair is built for travel. You can fold it quickly and slide it into the trunk of a car without playing a frustrating game of how does this thing fit. If you travel with family or go out often, that portability makes a big difference. Now let's talk power because that's where electric wheelchairs either shine or fail. The Coolhut comes with dual motors adding up to 500 watts, which gives it enough strength to move smoothly on different surfaces whether you're indoors, on sidewalks, or even going up gentle slopes. It handles it without feeling weak or struggling. Control is surprisingly simple. The 360-degree joystick controller lets you move, steer, and brake easily. And here's a thoughtful detail. The joystick can be placed on either the left or right armrest depending on what's more comfortable for the user. Comfort and safety were clearly considered too. The frame is made from high-strength steel. It includes a seatbelt, anti-tilt wheels, and slope braking, and it supports users up to 350 pounds. That combination helps keep the ride stable and secure. So overall, the Coolhut electric wheelchair focuses on three things: portability, strong motor power, and simple controls. If you need a mobility solution that's easy to transport and capable enough for everyday use, this one definitely checks a lot of boxes. And that's the Coolhut electric wheelchair in a nutshell. Hopefully this quick breakdown helped you decide if it's the right mobility option for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.